Now let us have a look at the functional areas, Brodmann's areas, which are present on the medial surface of the cerebral hemisphere. So as I told you, the functional areas from the supralateral surface will extend onto the medial surface. So the area number 4, that is primary motor area, area number 6, that is associated motor area, will extend from the supralateral surface onto the medial surface as well. And the primary somatosensory area, that is area number 312, also will extend onto the medial surface of as well behind the central sulcus. So the paracentral lobule, which we have discussed previously, that is the highest area for micturition and defecation, will comprise of areas number 4 in front of the central sulcus and area number 312 behind the central sulcus. And then you have got area number 6, as I told you, that is the associated motor area. And then area number 8, that is frontal eye field, and area number 9, 10, 11 in the medial frontal gyrus, which will make up the prefrontal gyrus. So that is the one which is responsible for the emotional psychological behavior. So these are the major Brodmann's areas which are present on the medial surface. And apart from this, in the occipital pole, we have got areas number 17, 18 and 19. You all know area number 17 is the primary visual cortex and area number 18 and 19 is associated visual cortex. So wherever I say association, it means it deals with the past memories. And then one special area which is present on the medial surface is area number 28. So this is the area number 28, which is made up by the anterior part of the parahippocampal gyrus and the uncus. So this is the uncus, part of the temporal lobe, and this is the anterior part of the parahippocampal gyrus. So this will make up the area number 28. So that is the primary olfactory area. So that is concerned with the smell. So that is about the different functional areas which are present on the medial surface of the cerebrum.